Hey friends, welcome back to Clean with Joy. If you're new here, I'm Joy, and today we're diving into 5 cleaning hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. These are quick, effective, and budget-friendly tricks that make cleaning so much easier, and trust me, you'll never look at lemons, vinegar, or even dryer sheets the same way again. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss smart tips like these. Alright, let's jump into hack number 1. Hack number 1. The Lemon Microwave Steam Clean. Raise your hand if your microwave has ever looked like a crime scene. Scrubbing it is the worst, but here's a hack that makes it effortless. Cut a lemon in half, squeeze it into a microwave-safe bowl, add 1 cup of water, and toss the halves in 2. Microwave for 3 to 5 minutes. The steam loosens all the stuck-on gunk, and the lemon kills odors. After that, just wipe it down. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals, just fresh and sparkling clean. Quick question, what's the weirdest thing you've ever found stuck in your microwave? Drop it in the comments, I bet we'll get some funny ones. Hack number 2. Streak-free windows and amp mirrors. Ever clean a mirror and somehow make it worse? The solution is super simple: vinegar. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Lightly spritz, then wipe with a microfiber cloth or newspaper. Pro tip: use an S motion instead of circles to avoid streaks. This also works on shower doors and even car windows. Poll time: are you team vinegar or team store-bought cleaner? Let's see who wins in the comments. Hack number 3. Baking soda for carpets and amp sofas. If your carpets or couches ever smell a little lived in, baking soda is your best friend. Sprinkle it generously over the surface. Let it sit for 15 minutes, or overnight for strong odors. Vacuum it up. The baking soda absorbs smells, leaving everything fresh again. Want an upgrade? Mix in a few drops of essential oil before sprinkling. Let me know, are you more into floral, citrus, or cozy scents for your home? Hack number 4. Dryer sheets beyond the laundry, 2 minutes. Hack number 4 is a total game changer. Dryer sheets aren't just for laundry. Here's what they can do. Wipe baseboards or blinds to grab dust. Remove soap scum from shower glass. Rub on furniture or clothes to lift pet hair. Tuck them in shoes, pillows, or drawers for freshness. They're like little cleaning superheroes you've probably been underusing. Look around your home right now. Where do you think a dryer sheet would help most? Tell me in the comments. Hack number 5. DIY citrus vinegar cleaner, 2.5 minutes. Last but not least, make your own all-purpose cleaner with citrus peels. Save your lemon, orange, or lime peels. Put them in a jar and cover with vinegar. Let it sit for about 2 weeks, then strain and dilute with equal parts water. Now you've got a powerful, natural cleaner that smells amazing and works wonders on countertops, stovetops, sinks, even floors. Just avoid natural stone like marble or granite. This hack saves money, reduces waste, and keeps your home chemical-free. Challenge for you. Try making a batch this week and tag me on Facebook with your before and after pics. I'd love to see your results. And there you have it, 5 genius cleaning hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. 1. Lemon Microwave Steam Clean. 2. Vinegar for streak-free mirrors. 3. Baking soda deodorizer. 4. Dryer sheets for dust and freshness. 5. Citrus-infused vinegar cleaner. Which one are you trying first? Drop your answer in the comments, I'm so curious. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart hacks. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Happy cleaning, and I'll see you in the next one.